Welcome on my YouTube channel. So, dear friends, this video will be about these Tesla speakers, Tesla bass speakers, and I can say legendary, because this type is the best of 203mm bass speakers Tesla ever made. It was produced in more versions, but the type ARZ 669, in this case 9 means 4 ohms, and 668 in 8 ohms are the best ones. But as I told before, produced in more versions, at first with the textile cone surrounding in natural color, then in black color textile, then rubber, the last version. These both pieces are with the rubber cone surrounding, and the rubber is soft, really soft, much more soft than by the newer types. And yes, they look similar. But this piece was produced in August 1969, and has here from the back side around the magnet such openings for air. And this little newer type, this is from February 1973, it has no openings, so maybe to save money by the production. How could I know the months and year of production? This is regarding the Tesla production codes, alphabetical codes, 2 letters. Here is SN, and this is August 1969. And here is MK, if I read it correctly, and this is February 1973. Yes, this cone is not so dark like by this one, but it usually happens when the speaker box is anywhere near to the window. I have dismounted this new type 1973 from the box Supraphone RK15. You can see this box in my previous video where I compared the Supraphone RK15 with the Tesla ARZ 825. And why I say it? Because when I test the speakers here on the table, the sound is not so good, cannot be so good as when it is mounted in enclosure in the box. So if you would like to hear the real sound of such a bass speaker, of this piece, concretely this piece, watch my previous video. If I don't forget, I put here active link. And I will have to mention also one fact: the ARZ have no ears with openings for screws. The newer types of Tesla speakers, I have full there, but I see also here 2 pieces. So normally on the newer types, this is for me totally new, but also from 70s they have such a ears openings for screws. But this ARZ never. They were mounted always with such a pieces of metal. You could see it at the beginning of the video. Also with screws, but not with opening in the speaker. So I have corrected the speakers to an amplifier, left channel, right channel. So let's try the sound. But if you would like to hear the real sound, watch the previous video. So let's, for example, the track number 3. it's I always receive questions, is the music from the YouTube library only regarding the copyright on the music. I had to delete it, thousands of my videos, old videos with music regarding the copyright. So dear friends, thank you for watching, and as it is usual, these speakers are for sale. You can find them later on my website Angelicaaudio CZ on the page Bass Speakers, and I thought that I can sell them as a pair, but I cannot because yeah, the openings and the age is different. So one piece, second piece. The first one has my internal number 178350, and the second one, the newer type, will have my internal number 179436. So thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing our YouTube channel, and if you like our videos, you can also join our channel. So have a nice day.